there. My name is Darya and I'm a licensed realtor with the Parodi Team out here in Houston, Texas. I'm here to talk to you about the process of preparing to buy a home. Here are some key things to keep in mind. The first step is to talk to mortgage brokers. It's important to ask plenty of questions and make sure you understand the home loan process completely. It will also help you to know what exactly your purchasing power is, so you don't waste weeks or months of your precious time shopping in the wrong price range. Once you have met with a lending professional, develop your home wish list. It's good to keep the must-haves in your home top of mind. Prioritize these items from most important to least. It's also good to keep in mind where you want to live. Put together a list of a few different areas while taking into account the school zones, safety, and other priorities that are important to you. Next, be ready to move. It's common for buyers to miss out on their first choice because they don't move quickly enough. Make your decision and stick with it. One very important thing is to factor repairs and maintenance into your budget. Poor planning can lead to these becoming big issues later on, which can be avoided by tackling these up front. Lastly, always be sure to think ahead. It's easy to get wrapped up in your present needs, but you should also think about reselling your home before you buy, especially for first-time buyers. This is probably not your last rodeo, so be aware of what it's going to take to sell this home in the future. Thank you for listening, and as always, I'm here to provide you with exceptional service on buying your home. Give me a call at 832-629-1021. Thanks, talk to you soon.